When you have made an account on Systime, you go to this address, kontakt.gyldendal.dk, and you log in the right corner. You choose Unilogin, and then you go down here and log in with MitID. If you don't have MitID yet, you can also choose NemID, and I'll just do that. So when you are logged in, you can see 3 books. And here on module 3.2, we are going to use Kontakt 2 and Kontakt 3. We are also going to use some other texts. You will get them in your email. But these books are good for vocabulary. So I'll just show you how it works. You press the book. So over here you can see a book, and you can just tap on it, and it will open in a new tab up here, so that you can have the chapters here, and you can see the book here. You just take your cursor down, and you can choose and enhance and do different things. You can play with that and find out how to use it. Also up here you can change the layout and other stuff. You figure that out. So over here we have the chapters. For instance here, Kapitel 1, Chapter 1, Hjemme. And the thing is that you see here there's a ting I stuen, side 4. And when you look in your book, you can go here to page 4. You can see some words here. You can press and just play the sound directly in the book, but you can also hear them here, listen to them here. And so the things that you can listen to in the book, you can also listen to them here. For each chapter there are some exercises, some self-correcting exercises. And you will learn how to these different kinds of exercises. Here you can say you just have to lyt og læs. When you go down here, you can see it says forløb. Forløb means what are you going to do here. You can see there's 4 exercises. And for instance here she says it gold. You can make this bigger and draw the right words. So here they are practicing words. Same thing here. Same thing here. So sometimes when you are done, you can see, of course, I haven't made all of this, but you can always see the right results. And the point is that up here, you can send it to me if I have asked for it. You can press send, write my email, and you write your name here, that's enough, and just send. And then I get your homework. And you have lots of possibilities to practice words. Læse, reading, listening, grammar, grammatik, and also there's a small test. Okay. So we will, on this module, use these two books for the vocabulary, especially for that. Okay, that's it.